Oh, what the hell is this? Mag-slipper bago pumasok sa terrace. Angel. Sad face. What the fuck? Oh, it's full of bubog, which you can't see. Oh well. I'm gonna go downstairs. Watch your step. Okay, this is the dining room, our living room, which to the front. It's our yard there. Our radio with the music on it, and the kitchen. Nice. Let's see what's on the refrigerator. Wow. Ketchup, which I can't show the logo because of copyright. No. That's delicious. Eggs and a red egg. Wow. What is it? I can't talk. Nasa kitchen, gumagawa ng video. Hindi, bawal. Nagbibideo ako. Hindi, bawal. Bawal nga sabi eh. Ano? Saan? Saan yung toothbrush?
Ilalim ng lababo.
Saan ilalim ng lababo? Dito? Yeah, binuksan ko na. Toothbrush. This one. Can't believe they keep brushes under their sink. Here it is.
Sarado mo. Sarado mo.
Damn. Ruined the show. Son of a... That's our yaya or katulong in Filipino. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs. So wait, I never show you my other bathroom with this one. Men's Health magazine. My father read. Oh my God, that's not true, man. I'm not reading it. Okay, bye bye. This is the show, Rafi Chronicles. See you there.